Manual Cleaning PA. We're here again today. We're going to show you how to do a stove and a microwave at the same time. If you want to come over and we'll just look at what we're working with here. So I'm going to open this up. This is lovely, and it's not going to be a lot of work. And then if you look down here, you see we have a lot of caked on food. This stove hasn't been cleaned in at least 5 to 6 weeks, so I thought I'd use it. It would be perfect for a video. Okay. So what you're going to need for this project is some paper towels. I prefer not to get all of the mess onto my cloths. Some of my organic cleaner or whatever cleaner you want to use, but it's not going to be as easy if you don't have this. We're looking for a name for it, so right now we're thinking of Shae's tea cleaner. Let me know if anybody has any ideas. Maybe a magic eraser, but not usually. And some dry cloths, just to dry it afterwards. So we'll get started. And if you hear a bird in the background, because there is a bird in the house. All right, so you're just gonna start spraying everything. I'll take my plate out. I'm gonna spray it and just throw it in the sink for now, so you can get all that. Because if you look at this, you'll see we have burnt on food everywhere. Try not to drip it on the floor. But all of that's gonna come right off. I'm not even gonna struggle with getting that off. Okay, I'll take this out as well. And just spray everywhere and get it nice and saturated. And literally, guys, I just spray it. Love spraying it because it smells wonderful. Okay, so we're gonna take these off. And you could throw these in the dishwasher, which I usually do. We'll just set those to the side for now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just, again, saturate everything. I'll even do here because there's like grease buildup that's splattered there. You can do everything. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm just gonna move around and not waste my time, and I'll just clean another area. So I'll just spray this counter over here. Alright, so we're done with that. We already have rags. Alright guys, so again, when you're cleaning, you always want to start at the top and work your way down. That way, whatever you're, just like when I did the counter, I pushed it to the floor. That way, whatever you're doing, everything continues to fall down and you never end up dirtying a surface that you've already cleaned. This I'll use my rag on, the outside of this, because it is also good. I love that I could go from the stainless steel to the glass on here and not have a problem. I might have to use my magic eraser right here, guys. There's a little bit of smudging that I feel like I'm not going to get out, which is the rag. So, you can just really quick run your magic eraser over that. And then dry it. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. That part is done. And rub out any spots that you see. Always going with the grain on the stainless steel, so you don't, ruin anything, because we don't want to do that. All right, so now when I have food, this is where I'll start to use paper towels because I don't really want this on my rags. Most of it doesn't have to be scrubbed because the solution has loosened all the food up just in those couple of minutes, but you can see there's spots where I might need to do a little bit of work. If you were doing this in your microwave at home, it probably wouldn't take this long, unless you don't do it because you don't have a product that'll make it this easy. So for the most part, and guys, I want you to notice it's nice and shiny and clean in there. This is not food. That's just kind of like damage, I believe. But if you look at it, for the most part, with just a microwave, and we didn't really have to do any scrubbing, just a lot of pulling the food out, you could see that there really isn't any food left, unless I find it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on down now that that's clean. I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'll just use these paper towels so I'm not wasting, because we don't want to waste. And again, I'm gonna move my way down because I'm gonna respray this when I'm done getting all the food off. The first thing you're gonna do is get all the debris off the stove, and then we'll probably spray it again. So last time, I'm gonna use a rag this time, guys, because I feel like a rag really buffs things out and shines it up. Always pulling off the surface, like so. And then you run into things like grease, and you just spray it and wipe it. Okay. Off the surface. Off, off, off. So we're just gonna keep pulling towards the edge of this surface. And we're almost done. Okay. Same thing over here. We're just gonna really quick wipe it towards the edge of the surface. And so now, if you want to just look at that, you'll see the top is food free. And then, so what I'll do is I'll just kind of respray. I'm going to respray the front real quick. I usually take my handles off, but for this video, when we're done, I'll take the handles off and do all of that detailed work because I really get into it, guys. But I just want to show you, if you're at home, you don't need to take your handles off every single day. Oops, we don't want to set ourselves on fire. And I do want you guys to know I only wear gloves, not because this is a strong product, but because I really, really like my nails to be girly. So I don't want stuff stuck under there. So I wear gloves just because of that factor alone. And when I do bathrooms, I don't really want to share people's germs under my hands, like all over my hands. I don't want that. It's your own preference. If you don't mind the grease and whatnot getting underneath your nail and food being under your nails, then you go right ahead and go gloveless, because seriously, the product is made with all organic produce and organic dried herbs. So you literally could drink it if you want to, but it doesn't taste that great, guys. It's a little bitter. I have drank it. But that's all I have for you today. We're so happy that you guys came and saw the video at Emmanuel Cleaning PA. We love, love, love to do these kind of things for people and to help people. So we look forward to seeing you again for our next video. I hope everybody has a great day, and we love you all. Bye.